Maybe I gotta.
Cross.
Maybe I gotta.
It's 2026.
Everything gotta be recorded.
Maybe I gotta.
Wait, why you only got three? This is what $250 worth of groceries look like. I think I did pretty well. Honestly, go to the farmer's market for the most part to get a lot of this. Go to the farmer's market for the most part, and I didn't know too much about the farmer's market before. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, but this kicked up. Best place for snacks, the dollar store. These pretzels right here, literally by this brand, my favorite, Pop Daddy pretzels. All the flavors are lit, so we always pick up on those. Just some miscellaneous stuff. All these snacks we picked up. Couldn't vlog because I made a couple of different stops. I just didn't have no time. Everybody's in a panic because of the snowstorm, and that's part. Looks like we kind of fell into the hype of the snowstorm. We snacked up. We picked up whatever we needed, like a whole bunch of snacks, whole bunch of veggies, rotisserie chicken, and this too. I'm excited for this. It's like 43 grams of protein in each serving. But yeah, so now gotta put all these groceries away. Alhamdulillah, everything is good. I definitely had to get this since both of us are coming down under the weather. Now to put these away. So it's the first Saturday that I've actually been home. Luckily it's snowing, so I'm kind of forced to stay in and not do too much. I'm deciding, it's kind of noon, but I bought these things to make pancakes with for my lovely wife, but it's noon. So I don't know if I can pass on the pancakes or make pho like I actually planned. But you'll see in a moment. And I'm gonna show you how I get down in the kitchen. So I picked up this coffee. I love Cafe Bustelo, but I've never had the dulce de leche flavor. We picked up peppermint coffee because it was on sale, and we've had nothing but peppermint coffee these past few weeks. So this is gonna be a refreshing change. I don't think I should have got the flavored version, but I don't know. The packaging really caught me, and really convinced me to get the flavored version versus the original. But yeah, I'm gonna restock on this and make some coffee. So I've already taken a few sips of this coffee, and my honest review, as you can tell, is that I really like it. It's way, way different from drinking peppermint for the past 2 weeks, so it's much, much sweeter. And honestly, with creamer, it tastes a little bit more sweet than I would like, but not bad at all. You could probably just drink it straight black, and even for like someone that doesn't really drink coffee and not have to add sweetener. But I love it. Definitely 9 out of 10. All right, so here are some of the ingredients. I'm gonna be honest, it's my first time making pho, and I kind of just TikTok some ingredients, and I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna make a vegetable pho, so I got some onions, some scallions, jalapeno, carrots, leeks, bit of ginger. Don't need too much of this. Garlic, and some potatoes in mine because I want some sort of starch, and a little bit of dill, and yeah. So this is what I'm gonna make the pho with.
So cute. And it's snowing outside.
Yeah. What do you have there? Ooh, wow. That's a gorgeous bed.
The flavors are about to come.
So I'm really excited about one of these packages that I'm about to get in the mail. I'm actually eyeing it while it's arriving and tracking it on the way. But it's the Shark Nano slider. I've been eyeing sliders for about a couple of months, but this one didn't come across my scope up until a couple of days ago. What I had in mind first of getting was the Asun slider, which is literally half the price of the one that I picked up. But one of the things that stood out about the Shark Nano slider was the fact that it has a lot more range and motion. It also comes equipped with DJI compatibility, which is one of the things that kind of sold it to me the most. So I can just put my DJI right on there and I get more range and more creative shots that I can potentially get.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got it back and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking falling. Talking while you come around and now they silent. You the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No, not about to do working. Lost and now I love them all to me a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it.
But it just looks cool.
Oh, it does. You should throw snow at me.
Oh yeah, I was planning to.
No!
What did you say?
I'm gonna fuck you up.
So it turns out that my RS3 is incompatible with the Shark Slider Nano 2, which is a little bit disheartening. Discouraging, not even disheartening. I was really excited to test it out, but it turns out I'm gonna probably have to wind up buying a RS3 Pro or a RS4 Pro. I'm surprised that the only thing that's not compatible is the RS3, since the RS2 and RS2 Pro are compatible, and they're much older models. So I want to make this a weekly thing where I start to put out content and YouTube videos and whatnot. And I'm 2026, so I'm just gonna make this a thing. I have it on my vision board. I have it as a goal of mine. So yeah, you guys will be seeing more of me. And this has been my week. All right, take care.
Now they silent. You the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you